What is your mother like? My mother is a very loving, caring, and hardworking woman. She takes care of our entire family. She wakes up early in the morning and starts her day by preparing breakfast for us. She always makes sure that everyone in the family is happy and comfortable. She cooks delicious food and keeps the house clean and organized. She teaches us good manners and always encourages us to be honest and kind. She helps people whenever they need support. In her free time, she likes reading books and watching TV. She spends time with the family and listens to everyone's problems. She is very patient and understanding. Everyone in our family loves and respects her. I learned many important life lessons from my mother, and I'm proud of her.